Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Roblox. This method works in 2024 and it's really simple to do. Let's get started. First, you need to open up Roblox, either on your computer or mobile device. This method works the same on both platforms. Once you're logged into Roblox, go to the left corner of the screen and click on the More option. Look for the Settings option or gear icon and click on it. This will open up the Settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, click on Account Info to open Account Settings. On this page, scroll down until you see the Theme section. By default, Roblox is set to Light mode. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to Theme. You'll see two options, Light and Dark. Go ahead and select Dark. As soon as you select it, the entire Roblox interface will switch to dark mode. You'll notice that the background is now a darker color, which can be easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Roblox. If you ever want to switch back to light mode, you can follow the same steps and select Light from the drop-down menu. By the way, if you like gaming, I have something special for you. You can receive a gift card just by entering your email address and completing a few surveys using the link in the description. It might take some time, but you don't have to spend any money, so if you have some extra time, check it out. The link is in the description.